Lake Tarawera, the landing. Lake Tarawera has many boat ramps, but perhaps the most famous is the landing, thanks to its cafe and beautiful setting. There is just one concrete lane, so you'll need to be quick when you launch and retrieve your boat. The location is stunning, and the lake is the perfect spot for water skiing, biscuiting, trout fishing, or visiting the hot pools. There is not a lot of trailer parking provided. Make sure you come early and reserve a spot. The ramp has a toilet block, and the landing cafe is open daily from 10 a.m. The food is delicious and the views are breathtaking. At the side of the jetty is a recycling station and lots of information about the lake. For trout fishing on the lake, you'll need to get a license from Fish and Game for the eastern region. Power loading is strictly prohibited here. Make sure you stick to the regulations to protect our ramps.